am so stoked. The challenge is going to be what to do with it. I mean, it's stripped down. If it was going to get painted, this would be the time, but I kind of want to leave it the stock color to kind of pay, respects to my old Scirocco. I don't know. What do you guys think? Same thing with the engine. It did come with an ABA that's blown out and a couple of 16 valve heads and just a whole bunch of parts. There's some aftermarket struts. There's a noise speed box in here. It looks like an aftermarket spoiler, but not the full package. The dash is in amazing condition, no cracks. All the fuel lines, brake lines, it's all here, somewhere in here. Stainless exhaust, doesn't have any markings on it. I haven't found any markings. Yeah, so over the course of the next little bit, I'm going to put all of these parts into totes and try to label them as best as possible, and then we're gonna deep dive into this car and see exactly what we got. All right, don't mind the lawnmower in the background. Let me take you for a little tour of the new project. So as you can see, it's a fairly clean car. A couple little dings, a couple little dents. The previous owner had stripped this car down quite a lot, but it's clean. It's all original, no modifications, no damage. You know, it's a 10-footer, if we're being honest. I mean, this paint will come back a bit, but there's some pretty deep scratches, and you know, it had a bad fix on the front lip where all the rocks and stuff would have hit. Which is probably why he stripped it down, to be honest, is he saw all the dings and little dents. There's 2 little dings in the roof. PBR could probably pull those, but I still think it would be fun to drive this car stock. I think I read that someone remade these weather strips, because these always do that, right? They always oxidize. The interior is basically stripped out. The dash is in amazing condition. Oh man, that's the first thing I looked for when I went to buy it, was to look at the dash and see, you know, what condition it's in, kind of knowing what the hard parts are going to be. The black interior, the leather interior that came with it, is in pretty good condition. Needs to be conditioned and brought back. You know, door cards are good. It's got roll-ups. I believe my GL had power windows, if I remember correctly. And this, like I was saying earlier, I'm pretty sure this was a blue car, blue interior. All the panels are blue, minus the doors. And my car was blue as well, and it had the gray checkered pattern, plaid pattern in the middle of the seats, which I really liked. Oh man, the doors close so nice in this thing. Let me just take this down so you can kind of see. Without crushing my fingers. Yeah, so I mean, very clean. This is really, aside from a little bit in one of the wheel wells, this is the only rust on the entire car, which, considering it's a hatch, is pretty darn good. And it's just starting to bubble, which is, it's just crazy. It's absolutely crazy. This is the closest thing to a barn find deal that I've ever had, I think. I think I found the name of the previous owner, who allegedly had passed on because the previous owner told me he bought it from an estate sale. So I'm going to try to reach out to that family and see, you know, maybe when this is done, I'll bring it by so they can kind of see that the project did get finished. Hopefully, if I finish it. It's a lot of work, right? But the iconic Scirocco decal from the factory, right? So good. So 80s. I love it. Man, I love this car so much. Yeah, let me know what you think. Keep it stock, drive it for a season or two. Do I OEM plus drop a 20 valve in it with an LSD stock on the outside, maybe stance it a bit, or do I go full crazy, and while it's stripped down, strip it down the last little bit that needs to be taken off of it and get a whole new paint job and just go full show car, big engine, big interior, big paint. Like I said, I'm kind of leaning towards leaving it stock for a year or two. See what I think about it. But anyways, thanks for watching this. If you did watch this, I know it wasn't professionally made. It's kind of all over the place. Sounds crazy, and the video's shaking, all that. I've been shooting it on my phone. I'll try to update as often as I can, as more of a kind of a progress video, a progress channel. And yeah, any Scirocco owners and gurus out there, love to hear from you. I'm going to need so much help going through the harnesses and all that. Anyways, talk to you later.